Hey guys, so I got my package from Duvolle. Duvolle is a skincare brand or company, and they sent over some products for me to try out. You guys know I typically don't try out things from other brands. However, I did do my research on the company and it just seems like a really great company to work with. So I decided to go ahead and collaborate with them on this video. So they sent over their Radiant Skincare System. If you guys do want to purchase this set, I have a discount code down below. I have a link. It will take you directly there and you can go ahead and use that coupon to get a discount. So this is the set that you guys will get. So it is a skincare system. It does come with 4 parts or 4 accessories. The cool thing about this is that not only can you use it on your face, but it has different cleansers. So you can use one for your face and one for your body to really get a nice scrub and make sure you're squeaky clean after your shower. So this is the set right here. You have 4 deep cleansing brushes. The cool thing about the skincare is that it's gonna have rotating movements to allow you to get cleaner and more vibrant skin. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. So these are the items you'll get, and then we also have our little manual right here to show us how to use it and how to take care of our skincare system. One thing I'm excited about is the stone right here. My feet, from standing up all day, sometimes I get calluses, so my skin hardens in like your underneath. I don't know, I don't even know what it's called, but it would be, I guess, here on your foot. I'm really excited about this stone right here because this is gonna be more for your rough skin. And so it's supposed to help to cleanse and smooth it down a little bit. This is gonna be your actual, your spinner or whatever you wanna call it. You do have to get 4 AA batteries and then it'll, go on and everything like that. So it has this right here, and that's where you will be able to, attach your sponge or your brush, your brush or the stone. So this is the stone right here. It's gonna be for more of a softer cleanse right in here. So you can see that the bristles are a little bit softer, not so firm. And then you're gonna have a little bit more firm. You can see that they don't move as much, so they're very firm, opposed to being more flexible like the previous brush was. So that would be that one. So those are both your face cleansers. The other one you could use on rough skin. And then you're gonna have your body brush right here. So it's larger, as you can see, and this is gonna allow you to really cleanse and make sure everything's beautiful and soft and just nice and clean. So you're gonna feel so good after you get out of the shower. Thank you to Duvolle for sending these products over, and I cannot wait to try them. If you would like to see me try out these products and give my review at the end, go ahead and stay tuned. So I'm just gonna do one final thoughts video. I really love this item. I've used all of the attachments now. I've used the pumice stone or whatever for any callus skin. I've used that. I've used the exfoliator brush. I used the regular cleansing brush. I used the body brush, and I love all of it. It's all working really well. Yeah, it's actually a really great product. So I would definitely recommend it to all of you guys. I do have a discount code down below. And thank you, Duvolle, for the gift. I hope you guys all enjoy it and get one for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. God bless.